Hello, mi pite ho. Tu ni ahi class in la diu hi ipihamiti ahi le basic up na advanced noun hin rules izat ham khat anain hiti ho to aban banin anavio hiti. Tun ama sa pena dingin article a and the plus noun. A and the article ahung kiti ahi le ihet zing diu tu hitilaya a and the na plus noun. Hiti ho hi piham dile sentence ahi a ham and ham da ham o mahile abana word to noun ahi tinai tun anavio hite definition. If any article is in a sentence, there should be noun after that. Na article tiho hi a and da bana hi word pen chu noun ahi noun hiding ahi akiti nam tun anavio hitim he is a good boy nale tilaya hi hoi hi article ham a is article nale a and da a is article ay tilaya hi na confuse na diu kha chu ipiham itia hile definition na imu chu ipiham tele a bana word pen chu noun hidi he itiu na ai wanga tilaya hi good a good he good hin character personality of this boy ati asaito good hi Teatu hiti hi noun hi loading noun hi ti hiditu okay boy ele hiti pap hi ama mi hi na tu ipiham mi phaham mi phaloham ti hin sei chin chu ama pa hin sei chin chu hiti good ama hi mi pha hi ti hi iti he no ham tia hile hiti akuna na hitabang ama hi na noun hi na hin sei do ho hi adjective kiti ay lawa hile tia bang he is a very good boy akitia hile noun hiti noun hi ipina sei nam adjective in good very atia hile adjective hin sei chin to very hung hidita na iti very hi alaya panai iti very to adverb hung hidi to verb to adverb ho hin sei phanule thamkhat hung kichin tantin tunia hin sei diu pa to hile article plus noun hi ji chun adang ho zo ana focus hide tun abana example hung pai kita hoitele the government has not taken the decision yet na hoi lai hi noun hamle according to article a and the plus noun or there should be noun after article hiya hile then it's da hi article then government hiya hile noun hidita nale ele chilaya hila hung kita da it's yung hi article nale article and decision the decision this will be noun okay and then abana jo begin hile tele the manager had a great talk with the owner then hoiti hi noun ham chi rule dungzuya hi article da chi da bana hi word hi noun nale and then utilize on the article and then honor it's honor hi noun nale then sila hin khat hong kire tele Chongboy is a very beautiful girl Chongboy is a very beautiful girl okay sila hi article hi chi article a datu ai le chi rule dungzuya chu after article a word pen chu noun hidi het ya hile very hi kilom chu ai wanga chu very Chongboy is very ipiham ki hello chu Chongboy is beautiful ipiham thinglo chu na sija chu a chilaya girl hi noun hi azi chu Chongboy hi na hi chilaya hi ama hi ipitabang ham tia hile a noun chu ama nu chu noun hiya and then ama hi ipitabang ham ama hi beautiful it's beautiful hiya hile adjective nale and then it's beautiful hi itabanga beautiful ham ha hoi very chi hiti noun hin sei chin hi beautiful hiti nu hi itabang ham ahoy tinya juna ama hin sei chin ama hi na hin sei chin ama character hin sei chin hi iti hi adjective kiti adjective ai le adjective hin sei chin ki chu ipi ham tia hi le very mo hoi me hilo ha hoya hoi very na chi pen hi adverb ki ti chu okay hi chi adverb to adjective hi confuse lo na diu chu noun hi adjective in a sei chin ji adjective hi adverb in a sei chin ji cha hi na confuse lo diu he sentence exam ma hi han lang competitive fa hi jong le hi ta bang sentence ho hi error ho in vat ding pha nu le if het diu chu article bana noun ho chu article bana word ho chu noun hi na ai article to noun ki ka ho ama character ama personality ama quality ahung zawa hile either it will be adjective or adverb na chu silai tham khan example in vetavin ne het chin diu ka ta sane tun abana ding en hong hite possessive ahung ki tia hile possessive ahung ki tia hile itabang ho possessive amit tia hile that anything that belongs to you na kain kapa kanu kanaupa kanaunu kazipa na kazinu my husband my parent my mom my dad my brother my sister kay ownership na kaya titu possessive kiti possessive words hot hi sentence sa nahin mu wa hile aban pa chu noun hi de hi ti na possessive word ho chu itabang hamit ya hile my your her their his our its hiti ho si hi possessive words kiti okay now example ading hiti definition dungzu ya hi possessive words hiti ho zo si word bana thu changhu ho chu hiti ho chu noun a hi ti na hi ale tun veute this is our ale imata ki zi talo possessive are hin ki chaile are hi possessive tu na le possessive a hi le sila hi imacha ki zi hi le ki hello chu ipi sentence in ipi a sei num ham di ki hello cha chu what ipi ham this is our book ati ham for example book ti di ham na this is our land ti di ham na are to possessive hi za chu apana to cheng pa hi this will be noun okay now we'll come to next I like your innocence your is possessive nanga na nang things that belongs to you nang you're innocent then according to the rules innocent will become noun nale ahead ha poi up the dog was wagging its tail da hipita article bana thu chang chui pi ha noun first rule abana chahila it's it hi pi ham possessive na possessive noun hi that too and then abana word to the noun and then we'll come next every father earns to bring up his children nale every father earns to bring up his children ati ahile hiti every hong hi ahile then this is possessive and the next possessive barnatu father this will be noun okay bring up his hi biha his to father to na father to his hong ki hela hiti pronoun dinat pronoun and then pronoun zawatu then this also children is noun nale and then now we'll come to here the restaurant is famous for its quick service the hi article hung hi kita article bana thu changchu restaurant and this is noun nale and then chlaya hi its its hi pi hung hi kita possessive noun nale possessive and then elela chila possessive bana thu chengchu quick the hi noun hi thayam no service. It is service noun. Nale. Ele ipitabang service ham. It is service hi itabang service ham. It is service hi ahi na hi ipiti na henam. Slow service ham. Quick service ham. Satisfying service ham. Tilaya hi ki hetu na. It's a quick service. Itabang service ham. Quick. It's a noun hi ipi in ahin say tinam. Ipitabang service ahi tu. It's a noun hi pinan say tinam. It's a ahi ki hetu quick. It's a noun hin say tin. Tu cheng ho hi. It's adjective. Nale. Ahile tilaya hi. It's very quick service. Tilaya hin very, very umle. Then noun to service to, it's a quick service. Then noun say tin to adjective, quick to noun say tin. Na ele a quick dan to ita banga quick ham very anazaw khale hi adverb hidi. Okay? Adjective say tin to adverb kiti at noun say tin to a quality hen lang ama personality hen lang pipi. Ahina ho say tin ho zo si noun say tin po to adjective ya. Adjective hina hoita say tin to adverb kiti. Ole. Tun abana anavitaw hite. Tun abana dingin preposition plus noun or pronoun. Preposition sentence a preposition ahung umpaw pawahile aban word to noun ham pronoun ham hitay di na to. Noun ahiya hile till amin iti na pronoun ahung kiti ahile till min hela kimang. For example, he will change into him, she will change into her, they will change into them. Tiho to pronoun. Okay? Ihet sinading win aban view hitale. If any preposition words, noun or pronouns should be used after them. Nale, sentence ahi preposition ahung umpaw pawahile. Hiti preposition bana umtuting to noun ahi tiya na laading ahi dito. Ayle, we went to Delhi. To he preposition to na. Abana to sing to piha ti Delhi. Then noun. And then abana Thongboy bought an umbrella for Jangpu. Nale, hoy ti hi ipi hitale. Thongboy bought an umbrella for Jangpu. Then chahi for he preposition Jangpu na. And then en hi pita article. Article bana to cheng to noun. Nale. For he hile ipita preposition. Preposition bana noun. Okay. Titu here. Then we met after lunch. Hoy tihatilaya preposition after. Then at ama preposition bana to chang chui piha lunch. That means this is noun. She is talking about him. She is talking about him. About is ipihale preposition. And then him. Him tihila, it's a pronoun. Nale, pronoun. No, on a rule adding in, when V1 plus ing is used as either subject or object, it is called gerund. Gerund to ama sa penin explain hin bolo. The gerund hong kiti ahile tihi formula hi izadiwe. English grammar hi mathematics banga formula ahu. Gerund formula to V1 plus ing. Iti V1 plus ing pen hi subject zong hitay, object zong hitan. Hitay, tutang akipat na azong pangtay, akitay na azong pangtay din. Tun V1 plus ing to ito bangham anavyo hite. Tahi V1, V2, V3 na. And for example, tilay exam, I am singing ahivyote. Sing, sang, sung. Nale, to sing V1 pahila ditine. It's a V1 pahila ding plus ing. Then sing plus ing becomes singing. Na, I am singing. Tilay sentence hi veliton, it's atay na apang to. V1 plus ing hi atay na apanahile, then it's hi object. And then tilay view hite. Singing is my hobby. Singing. Sing plus ing. Na. abula hung ki panta chu khat hi chaina panga khat hi thuki patna ahung pang ti akipat na pa hi pitis ipi ham tia hi le subject chilai hi subject jong hi thei object jong hi thei pang thei ti ne hi chi ho chu gerund ki ti hi a hi le hi chilai hi hoi chi hi noun ham e chi te ni aki hi dan hi wata I am singing akitia hi le cha hi action chu ama hin la sa ki ti na ele singing is my hobby hi chi hi ama chat lo cho la sa hi ka hobby hi la sa hi ka thanup na he tia hi le ama hi action a play lo chu na chi hi then my he possessive here and then this will become noun teaching is my profession my he possessive here possessive and then profession he noun nale I love teaching here hi let's see I he subject hung here love he verb hung here and then chulai he object hung here hi le then this is also noun nale smoking is injurious to health it's to he preposition here preposition after preposition atu word to noun he is nale okay then hichi is ho he hile verb hung hi that linking verb ti ho hi verb in say phan le cho hi bona hung zau di ele chilaya ing smoke plus ing to ho pen hi noun zong kiti a gerund zong kiti okay to na bana na view hi there are some suffixes that help us find out noun. Pu word ho. Ipi word hi zong le, hi ti ho si si. Silang vei lang nga kitai o umpo po wai le hi ti ho zo si chu noun hi. Example ading in MENT, mena kitai to government development na MENT. Ipi tu chang hi zong le, ipi word hi zong le MENT a kitai. Hihen lang hiti lang a kitai zo si hin noun. Okay? Like a kitai be, tor, tor a kitai to editor, ter minister, ism nepotism, ion communication, ay rola dang dang ho zong. Sipo boti na hipoy. Chilaya tu chang kitai ho, hiti ho a kitai ho si tu chang tama tama hi in hiti ho po chu question na hung mu kha hile na hin mu kha hile then now na la jing di he chi by heart 19 example ading in cha hung ta we the there was an exaltation in the group na hichi n hi pitale article bana chu ipitiwa word a uma hile chu noun hi dit is na hichi line hung ki bolin tin hichi pen hi adjective ham adverb ham noun ham pronoun ham mati chu article n ja hyong hichi noun he tia la the ion na tion ja zong hi chi hi noun hi ti ki heta chu na in zo cha ka sai banga chu then adjective zong hello verb zong hello noun na then C will be answer and then you are most welcome to visit my humble abode. Hitya underline pa hi noun ham adjective ham adverb ham participle ham itya hile. Then anavyo hitale chi hi my hi piha possessive noun chunale. Possessive noun hi za chu. Then possessive noun bana tu jang chu noun chunale chi abode. Mind zawa hi ipi word uma humble iti humble hi adjective ipi zia he is talking about this one abode hi noun and then A is the correct answer nale humble hi underline ke bol hen lang hi humble hi ipi hamiti ahle then adjective hi right answer hi nale chahi noun abode hi underline ke bola hi pen hi ipi ham chu ho li la ati ahle then noun ipiti noun hin henam. My possessive bana to changchu noun. And then it's he humble he. What kind of abode it is? It's a humble abode. Nah. Then it's a abode he itabang hamti chu humble he tin he chu na. Humble abode he ja chu it's a pahe adjective. Okay. And then here chulai hin to changana vekit nutile. Anger is not a productive response to criticism. Hoi chi chi noun ham article a he article here, then this is noun. To he piha preposition here, then this is noun. Nale. My wife showed much enthusiasm for our plan. My to piha possessive. Then wife is noun, right? Enthusiasm. Ipiha chi IASM SM. ISM tiho chu tiho he noun hi nale silai I say pangwa chu. And then for he preposition here, preposition here for he, are he possessive ikina, and then plant he noun obviously. And then here I listen to classical music for relaxation. To he article here. And then amahin ipi ngaya, amahin ipi ngay hamti chu classical kiti thailo na music si hi noun here. Itabang music ham classical iti hi adjective hiding. And then for he preposition here, then this preposition bana to relaxation word to noun. Iti hi ion tion jazong iti hi noun. For preposition zawatu chang hi jang to noun. Nale. And then adjective to chi noun hi itabang music ham, classical ham, modern ham, ancient ham, pipi ham asay chin ja chu chi. It's noun say chin chu chi chu chang hi ja chu. Then this is adjective. Okay? Tuna bana veote. If two nouns are joined by preposition, noun either side are singular and verb is also singular. The woman after woman spoke against the cruel practice of Dory. Hi preposition ham. It's like if two nouns are joined by preposition at the end, then it's after he preposition. Okay, the preposition here two nouns. If two nouns are joined, that means women to women. It's he noun here. It's teni noun teni join he preposition. Ale, it's ho hi ahung na hile noun either side are singular. It's teni he noun teni he plural hi thei loading. Noun ni hi preposition in noun ni ki ka hi preposition o ma hile noun teni ju plural hi thei loading. Singular hi di heti. Oh, ai le chi chu hi le chila hi di ta lo chula na. Itile hung ipiti hung di ham hile, then e will change into a woman, woman, woman after woman. Hidinale. Women after women hiloding, woman after woman. E will change into a, e will change into a. Then this will be correct. And then we'll come to second. Days by days, he is becoming weaker. Si hidi lauto. Rule dung zuyatu. Rule dung zuyatu. Noun ni ki ka preposition o ma hile noun to singular hiding. Okay, then he by he preposition. Ele noun chila hila noun khat noun ni ki ka preposition om ta ja chu he s loading. And then anu ya chu pi se ya verb is also singular. Then hoi lai ham chila hi verb is na where he where he is. Piles on piles of books was or were arranged. Then on he preposition here, piled as umlauding, and then he was where he plural he na. Verb is also singular. That means was he singular. And then sila na veki no hiti. the flexible of withdrawals from funds under the pension scheme would be tightened. No error. Hoi chi lai ta hi di lo umam. Then hi chi dung zuya chu e hon inivat dung zuya chu da hi article hita. Article bana hi noun hi di heti yu na. Hi chi flexible hi ipiham tia hi adjective hi chu. Chu hi le masa rule ivat dung zui va chu di ta lo chu na le. Da article bana hi noun hi di chu. Chi hi noun na initial di ta chu. Chi chu noun na initial va hi le then flexibility flexibility hong hi di. Okay. And then tun chilaya hong kin hi di. His honestly was admired by one of all in the village. No error. Hoi chilai pen hindi lo. Ham iti ahile. His he possessive noun here. Possessive noun here. And then honestly he iti pen he adverb. Na. Si honestly he noun na in helding wahile. Then this will change into honesty. His is possessive. Possessive hi ja chu abana thu chang chu noun na. Honestly he adverb here. Then chi hi noun na in helding ahile chi honestly hi taloding honesty. Na dunia ding in class chan hin na chai ta hoitin aki chai chan nom ta hoi ta lung lut ta ina vat bi ho zo se ka ki pa e.